What is up, all you beautiful funnel hackers? In today's video, we're going over the point of Funnel Hacker Labs. Blade, what is the point of Funnel Hacker Labs? And give me an inside look of what it looks like to be a member. Well, I'm glad you asked, guys. So the entire point of Funnel Hacker Labs, well, first of all, let's get straight into this. The entire point of Funnel Hacker Labs is to finally get you a funnel and be done with it. Finally get a funnel now. And we're not going to wait on some sort of expensive designer. We're not going to wait hours and hours designing, trying to make things look good. You need a funnel and you need it now. So you came to the right place. Later on, what we're also doing in the future, we're implementing it now. We're doing a bunch of testing right now. We're in the beta mode of this, is we're implementing a bunch of AI-based tracking software. So first is like a little heat map that's going to allow you to exactly pinpoint exactly where in the funnel you need to make changes to make it optimize, to make it convert better. By doing so, what we're going to have is a heat map that shows where people spend the most time and where people drop off on that page, so that you can exactly pinpoint where in that page people start getting friction. So you take those out, replace with something better. And what we're also doing is another AI-based software that's going to exactly allow you to pinpoint exactly what ad is converting better. So you know better, you have a better understanding of what type of ads you need to boost the budget and what ads you need to kill off. All right. But that's the entire point of Funnel Hacker Labs. Now let's talk about how we get your fun done now. So let me scroll down here real quick. And you see over here, we have a couple of things over here. So the first thing that we have is our funnel library, guys. Oh, baby. So let's talk about the funnel library. So if you go over here to Funnel Hacker Labs, you're going to see over here, you can search by category. And you search by category, oh my gosh, we got a lot of funnels over here, guys. So you can click on whatever you want. I usually do I have my own credit repair agency. So let's click on credit repair. Give it a second or two to kind of load up, because we do have actually a massive library. I think we got over like 400 different funnel templates. It's a lot more, probably a lot more than that. It's just because we're constantly adding new funnels onto this every single day. I have a full-time staff. We have a full-time staff that's constantly designing funnels. But yeah, we have a couple of credit repair funnels over here. And let's say you like this one over here. Very easy. It takes one click to import it into your Go High Level or your Clickfunnels. Let me explain. Clickfunnels, all you're going to do is press that. As soon as you press that, you're going to log into your account. And as soon as you log in, it's going to ask you to add the funnel right there. And bam, just like that, it adds a funnel. The next way to do this is to do the Go High Level. So let me open up my Go High Level page real quick. All right, sweet. So I popped open my test account. We're going to go to the actual one. Let's say we like this one. We're going to click on Go High Level. See that it copies this text over here. And pretty much how it is I have the entire library stored on Clickfunnels. So what we're going to do is press Use Existing. I don't mean to do that. We're going to just open up a new step. We're going to call it like test. Don't worry about that. And we're just going to paste that link onto here. Because pretty much what it's going to do is it's going to copy the funnel from Clickfunnels, and it's by using this import functionality that Go High Level has, it's going to copy what it has on Clickfunnels and instantly import it, as you can see, directly into your Go High Level account, just to make it simple. So as you can see, it's very, very simple to be able to import a funnel from our funnel library over to your Clickfunnels or Go High Level account. Very simple, guys. Next thing that we have is our design on demand. Now, design on demand is actually very, very cool. So you hop over here, let's go to design on demand. Give it a second. And what you need to do, so we have a 24-hour turnaround time. So this is for the type of person that for some reason they can't find the funnel template that they want in that funnel library. So what you can do is you can get one custom made for you. And it works pretty simple. You're going to type in your name. Everybody knows me as Blade, okay? I don't know why I keep on popping up. Blade, bam. Type in your email, blade@theprojectalpha.com. What niche will the template be in? Credit repair. Describe any specifics that you like to see in your funnel page template. I want to see, I need a picture of a credit report and a review section. My logo colors are black, white, and gold. Something similar like that. Example of a URL that we should model off of. Well, let's find one. So what I usually do is I go to site, click clickfunnels.com, credit to pair. What that allows you to do is allows you to search within the ClickFunnels system database. Over here is a good example. Well, I don't know yet, but let's say this is a good example. We're gonna take this one, bam, copy that, and go over here and just paste that URL. Okay, let's say that's a good example. We want to use a spin off on that, and it gives you the option over here. We like us to directly replicate this funnel example or add our own spin off. You can either choose, I need the same exact funnel, please change it up, or I need you to find an example for me, and I'll click the keep me updated button below to later approve the funnel that you found. So that's if you can't find any examples of a funnel page, you would click that bottom one. But we'll do this is to please change it up, and you type in your Facebook profile URL. The reason why we do this is because .com/funnelhackerlab. The reason why we do this is because so that when we're actually done with the funnel design, what we then do is we take it, we make a post of it, like over here, a picture, and we tag you on it. For example, like Davine had this one, so we tagged her on this, and she was updated exactly when it was done. And what we do is we also take this funnel over here and we also put it into the funnel library as well. But pretty much what that URL is do is to let you know that, hey, your funnel is done, and check it out in the Facebook group. But we're also going to do another cool feature that we also implemented over here is the keep me updated button. So you're going to click on this, you're going to view in Messenger, and pretty much what this allows you to do, ooh, I'm on there. Pretty much what that allows you to do is it allows you to directly talk with that who is designing your funnel template. So I'm just gonna write this is test, so my guys know. But what this allows you to do is allows you to directly communicate with my backend team that are actually doing the designs of the funnel templates for you, and you guys can go back and forth. Like what they're gonna do before they even put it on the Facebook group, they're gonna send you this picture, okay? And you're gonna be like, I like it, or you're gonna be like, change up the colors, please, change up this picture, or whatever you want to do, you know? And it's just a way for you to directly talk with the designers directly, and you can get the funnel done the first time right, the way you want it, you know, just to make it simple. Cool. Next thing that we have is over here. We just talk about design and demand. Let's talk about the actual funnel copier tool. Now, this is actually really, really neat. I love this. Neat stuff over here. Neat stuff. So let's say over here, let's open up my ClickFunnels account. So let's say over here that we want this, we like this page, and we want to take this page and we want to import it directly into our ClickFunnels account. Okay, let's say we want this imported directly into your ClickFunnels account. Oh, let me ClickFunnels. Well, it's actually very, very easy to do. So over here we have this our extension, which you will need to download. I don't know why this is lagging right now. You go here, go to the very beginning here, guys. Bam. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go to test. Let me pause this actually so I don't have to waste you guys' time. All right, cool. So what we want to do is we want to take this funnel over here, this funnel page. Okay, we want to take this and we want to paste it into our editor over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our editor page over here. We're gonna go to the actual ClickFunnels editor. What they're gonna do is we're gonna go over here. We're gonna click on this our funnel copier tool. We're gonna press copy funnel. We're gonna go over here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna press paste funnel, and but bam, instantly like that, it's directly imported into your ClickFunnels account for now. So now that you can actually edit it and use it yourself. Press save on that, and we're all good, just like that. Guys, really, it's that simple. It really doesn't take too much to be able to clone that page and put it over to your page. I'm gonna put it over to your account. So as you can see, guys, there's 3 different ways that we could help you get your next funnel done like that, like today. You know, our design and demand feature has around a 24-hour turnaround time, depending on how many revisions you need to make on it. But yeah, and right now how we have it set up is that you can make unlimited funnels with the design and demand feature as you want. So this really benefits those agencies that are constantly onboarding new clients and constantly make new funnels for their clients. So highly recommend you check out Funnel Hacker Labs. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, I'd be more than happy to help you guys out. If you guys are interested in joining Funnel Hacker Labs, the link's down below in the description, or just type in funnelhackerlab.com, all right? And you can get started right away. It's only $67 a month right now, so I highly recommend you guys take this up. And I'd like to talk to you. And another thing about this is that you're not only just joining Funnel Hacker Labs. No, you're joining a community. You're joining a community where people reach out. They ask questions over here. I'm looking for recommendations on a texting platform. Bam, been using this instead of Twilio. You know, it's not only just people. It's not only just a random group. I go out of me personally, I go out of my ways to help people out. Like, who's looking for cheap VAs? I got Devin, I got Devin, a VA. I've gotten Lisa, a VA, and I've gotten this guy, a VA. So I'm looking out for you guys. And the more successful you guys are, the more likely you guys are to make me a video testimonial. So I go out of my way to help you guys out, is what I'm trying to say. But as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you have any ideas for new features that we can add to Funnel Hacker Labs, send me a message directly, or what you could also do is comment it in our Facebook group. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you want to join our Facebook group, links down below, or just type in facebook.com/group/Funnel Hacker Labs. Talk to you guys later. Peace out. Have a good one, and I'll see you up there. That's the top, baby. That's the top. See you there. See you at the top. Peace out.